Last year's students' project consists in a simulation of a hotel. They have to manage a hotel, from the restaurant to the housekeeping, front office, and everything. So when they do their presentations, they use this kind of utilities to make the presentation more attractive. Okay, they have to convince the public, the people that will mark the presentation with this. And these are the projects, okay? The different sections, we have here F&B, we have executive ceremony, the different parts of the project. So a whole project of a fourth year student would be like that, okay? So it's something, it's hard work, they do it during the whole year, and it covers all the areas of a hotel. This is the front office, as you already know it. And here we have the cafeteria also. Teach the students how to use the cafe machine, how to serve the meal or everything. And afterwards the cafeteria opens. Okay? It opens for 2 or 3 hours, usually from 10:30 to 1 o'clock.
This is the kitchen demonstration class. Okay? But you have chefs from different restaurants here in Galicia and also in Spain. They make the demonstration, and all our students are here checking the activity. Okay? In 9 subjects, hospitality management in action. Okay? One of the assessment 1, is a work group. Okay? You have to design a new concept of restaurant. Okay? And the presentation for this concept, if you like, is here. Okay, you remember a presentation from last year, okay, a group of Thibaut, Simon, Elodie, okay, they make the presentation in this classroom with me, okay, because they want to prepare, okay, all the offer, all the proposal for the different menus, and they cook here. So if you want to present a different type of concepts, you can use all the installation from the school, okay. This week we have a presentation in this classroom. If you want to come, you put your name, okay, and I'm going to say to you, we have 10 places, 8, 12, 15, okay, but each 2 weeks you have activities here.